Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. So it is currently 7:15 in the morning and I am finishing getting ready so that I can go to it's kind of like my first day of school, but it's not. I'm going to my high school and I'm going to get my schedule, and I'm going from 9 to 12. So it's kind of a school day, but it's not. And school starts actually next week, but I thought I would make this video today because it made sense, because I wouldn't be in such a rush. I would kind of just have the time to do it. And yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy watching me get ready throughout the day. And let's just get started. The clips start from last night because I did something to my hair last night. So yeah. So I'm filming Get Ready With Me for the first day of school, which is actually gonna be kind of in my first day of school, because tomorrow's a day where you go in my school to get your schedule, and it's for all the incoming freshmen. You basically get to see the whole school, blah blah blah. So that's my first day of school, I guess. So I'm gonna get ready with you guys tonight and tomorrow morning. So yeah, right now I'm gonna go wash my hair because I want to straighten it. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be back so you can see me straighten it, and then we can go and get ready tomorrow morning. Hello you guys, so I changed and I'm out of the shower. I had dinner and now I'm gonna go cleanse my face. I'm gonna wait for my hair to air dry a bunch, and after that then I'm gonna straighten it. But right now I'm just gonna let it air dry. So I basically just washed my whole face for the night. This is what I do before I go to sleep usually. And before, well, my hair is still damp or wet. It's still wet at the bottom, it's damp up here. So I use this heat protectant spray. This heat protectant spray. I don't really know why I kind of just found it in the drugstore like 2 years ago and it worked. So it kind of gets greasy, so I don't like to just spray into my hair. So I kind of put it in my hand like that and shake this, and then I kind of go through all of my hair. That way when I put the, whatever it's called, the hair straightener heat on it, it won't get damaged. So yeah. Hey guys, okay, so just wanted to let you know that I did straighten it by now. I really didn't want to spend forever doing it. It literally took me like maybe 8 minutes to do. I just went through it really quick, kind of made it look more sleek than it normally looks. And yeah, now I'm gonna just basically go to sleep because I'm supposed to wake up tomorrow at like 6, and I'm not very excited about that, but it's okay. It's okay. I'll manage. I'll be fine, okay? Okay, so this is the outfit for today. It's this white shirt, a belt, and these pants. And I'm gonna wear my Adidas with them. And right now I'm gonna go wash my face, and I'm bringing this with me, and then I'm gonna put some makeup on, and then we're gonna have breakfast. Alright, so time lapse is done, and now I'm gonna go do my makeup. I don't know if I'm gonna do it with a voice, because honestly, it's early and I'm tired, and my sister's asleep, so I don't know, wake her up. Welcome to my bedroom. Welcome to where I do my makeup every single day. Yeah, so we're gonna just start, and I'm gonna insert a time lapse like right here. For every morning usually, I honestly just do like, I will put some of the brow tint on my brows. I will put on mascara. I will put on concealer, and I will do bronzer in my eyes, and that's honestly all I do for school, like most of the time. So yeah. So lastly, I'm just putting lip balm on. And I might recurl my eyelashes before I leave it, like, home. So I'm gonna go have breakfast now. Okay guys, so this is what my makeup ended up looking like. I like it, it's pretty natural. And I'm gonna have breakfast now. I'm gonna have arepas with avocado, and it's basically avocado toast inside of an arepa, so that's what I'm gonna have. Okay, this is my breakfast. My friend's over, but I don't know if she wants to be in the video, so I won't show her. So here's the breakfast, and avocado because I love it, and yeah. Hello you guys, I'm back from the fish camp, and we also had to go to my sister's. Okay, so we also had to go to my sister's place to pick her up. I mean, not to pick her up, to pick her schedule up. Anyways, but yeah, I went to that. I got my schedule. I also got like 25 different papers that basically have clubs in them. I don't know which one I would join. I'm thinking of doing the drill camp, so maybe I won't be joining a lot, and maybe I'll join like one of them. But yeah, that's how my first day of high school kind of went. I'll tell you guys what happened. So I was going through all my classes like in the schedule, and I was walking around finding each classroom with my friends, and well, we got lost once. We ended up in like a complete different place, but it's fine. And then we got back, and my mom called me because she was like picking me up, and I thought that I was on the other side of the school, and I was supposed to be going to the specific way, right, to get to the 9th grade center where my mom was waiting for me. But it turned out, like, as I was walking that way, my friend was like, no, 9th grade center is literally right here. And I did not realize that. Like, I was 100% sure that we were on the other side of the school. I was so lost. But hopefully with the first, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks of school, I'll get used to it and I'll know where everything is and I won't be lost. But yeah, that's how it went. Hopefully I don't actually get lost on the first day of school, because that's gonna suck. I saw like 2 of my teachers. Yeah, I got some shirts. I got information. For example, I'm gonna be trying out for the drill team on November, which hopefully that goes good. But yeah, that is how my first day of high school went. I got my schedule. I went through my classes. We had a pep rally. We also had a presentation, all this cool stuff. But yeah, it was overall really fun, and yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this really chill video of getting ready with me for the first day of school and how it went. If you like this kind of video that's more like chill and not so edited, let me know down below. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out all my social media platforms. They'll be down below. Subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you get actually notified from YouTube every time I post a video. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.